ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു ഷാബ്സ് കെംസ് ബാർക്ക്. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് ട്രാൻസിഷൻ ആൻഡ് ഇന്നർ ട്രാൻസിഷൻ എലമെൻറ്റ്സിലെ കുറച്ച് പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻഡ് ആൻസേഴ്സ് ആണ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ദ ലീസ്റ്റ് ബേസിക് എമംഗ് ദ ഫോളോയിങ് ഈസ് ഓപ്ഷൻ എ AlOH thrice, B LaOH thrice, C CeOH thrice, D LuOH thrice. Answer option A ആണ് AlOH thrice. Reason, the acidic character of hydroxides of lanthanides increases as the size decreases from La3+ to Lu3+ due to lanthanoid contraction. However, basic strength decreases. നമ്മൾ മുന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഇത് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തതാണ്. LaOH thrice thus is most basic, whereas LuOH thrice is least basic. But size of Al3+ is smaller than Lu3+. So, it is least basic among the all. അപ്പോൾ ആൻസർ വരുന്നത് AlOH thrice. Which one of the following shows the highest solubility in hot concentrated aqueous NaOH? Option A LaOH thrice, B NaOH thrice, C SmOH thrice, D LuOH thrice. Answer option D LuOH thrice. Among all, LuOH thrice is more acidic due to lanthanoid contraction. So it has highest solubility in hot concentrated aqueous NaOH. As a ligand Cl-, option A only sigma donor, B only pi donor, C both sigma and pi donor, D a sigma donor and a pi acceptor. Answer option C both sigma and pi donor. Uranium fluorides co-precipitate with option A calcium fluoride, B silver fluoride, C magnesium fluoride, D lithium fluoride. Answer option A calcium fluoride. The electronic configuration for gadolinium is xenon 4f7 5d1 6s2, whereas that of gadolinium 2+ is. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ വരുന്നത് ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ്. അതായത് എസ്ന്ന് ഇലക്ട്രോണിനെ റിമൂവ് ചെയ്തിട്ടേ ബാക്കിയുള്ള ഓർബിറ്റൽസിൽ നിന്ന് ഇലക്ട്രോൺ റിമൂവ് ചെയ്യുള്ളൂ. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഗഡോലിനിയം 2+ ആണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ആൻസർ വരുന്നത് xenon 4f7 5d1. Ligand field stabilization energies are smaller for lanthanides compared to transition metals in the same oxidation state because option A size of lanthanide ions are larger, B f orbitals interact less effectively with ligands, C size of lanthanide ions are smaller, D lanthanides favor oxygen donor ligand. Answer option B f orbitals interact less effectively with ligands. This is because the 4f electrons are well shielded and not affected by the environment of the ion. Which of the following compounds show a charge transfer band? Option A lanthanum nitrate, B cearic ammonium nitrate, C manganese 2 acetate, D copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate. Answer option B cearic ammonium nitrate. Here cerium is an high oxidation state, that is +4. Ligand to metal charge transfer transitions are observed in the visible region of the spectrum when the metal is in a high oxidation state. The metallic radii are abnormally high for which of the following pairs? Option A europium ytterbium, B samarium thulium, C gadolinium lutetium, D neodymium holmium. Answer option A europium ytterbium. This is because of repulsion between greater number of F electrons as these elements exhibit +2 oxidation state rather than more stable +3 oxidation state, as they form more stable F7 and F14 electronic configuration. The complex MnH2O 6 times 2 plus has very light pink color. The best reason for it is: option A, the complex does not have a charge transfer transition. B, DD transition here are orbital forbidden but spin allowed. C, DD transition here are orbital allowed but spin forbidden. D, DD transition here are both orbital forbidden and spin forbidden. Answer option D ആണ്. Here Mn2 plus is in the high spin d5 system. So there is both orbital forbidden and spin forbidden, therefore it is light pink in color. The pair of lanthanides with the highest third ionization energy is: option A, europium gadolinium. B, europium ytterbium. C, dysprosium ytterbium. D, lutetium ytterbium. Answer option B, europium ytterbium. In europium ytterbium, +2 oxidation state is more stable than +3. Therefore, energy required for third ionization energy is high. A comparison of the valence electron configuration of the elements samarium and europium suggests that: option A, samarium is a better 1 electron reductant than europium. B, samarium is a better 1 electron oxidant than europium. C, facile oxidation state is +2 for both the elements. D, both of these display similar redox behavior. Answer option B, samarium is a better 1 electron oxidant than europium. അതിൻ്റെ റീസൺ സമേറിയത്തിൻ്റെ ഇലക്ട്രോണിക് കോൺഫിഗറേഷൻ 4f6 5d0 6s2 ആണ്. ഈസ് എ ബെറ്റർ 1 ഇലക്ട്രോൺ ഓക്സിഡൻറ്റ് ദാൻ യൂറോപ്പിയം, സോ ദാറ്റ് ഇറ്റ് അറ്റൈൻ മോർ സ്റ്റേബിൾ കോൺഫിഗറേഷൻ, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 4f7 5d0 6s2. MnO4 minus is deep purple in color, whereas ReO4 minus is colorless. This is due to greater energy required for: option A, DD transition in the rhenium compound compared to the manganese compound. B, DD transition in the manganese compound compared to the rhenium compound. C, charge transfer from oxygen to rhenium compared to oxygen to manganese. D, charge transfer from oxygen to manganese compared to oxygen to rhenium. Answer option C ആണ്. അതിന് റീസൺ: as the size of central metal ion increases, trend in LMCT energies is also increases. Order of size is rhenium +7 greater than technetium +7 greater than Mn +7. Therefore, energy required for charge transfer MnO4 minus less than technetium O4 minus less than rhenium O4 minus. MnO4 minus is deep purple color, whereas ReO4 minus is colorless, because ligand to metal charge transfer absorption is in the visible region for MnO4 minus, and that of ReO4 minus is colorless, as LMCT absorption is in the UV region. The pair of ions that most commonly forms complexes with coordination number 2 is: answer option D, copper 1 and mercury 2. അതിന് റീസൺ: മെറ്റൽ അയോൺസ് ദാറ്റ് മോസ്റ്റ് കോമൺലി ഫോംസ് complexes with coordination number 2 are copper 1, silver 1, mercury 2 and all D10 ions. The compound which shows metal to ligand charge transfer is: option A, NiCO4, B, K2Cr2O7, C, HgO, D. NiH2O 6 times 2 plus. Answer option A. NiCO4. Reason: MlCT are observed when the metal is in a low oxidation state and the ligands have low lying acceptor orbitals. Zies's salt is represented as option A. H2PtCl6b, PtCl4 2 C, ZnCl4 2 D, PtCl3 eta 2 C2H4 minus. Answer option D ആണ്. ഇത് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആണ്. CaTiO3 has a perovskite crystal structure. The coordination number of titanium in CaTiO3 is option A 9, B 6, C 3, D 12. Answer option B. Here coordination number of titanium is 6 and calcium is 12. The incorrect statement about Zies's salt is option A. Zies's salt is diamagnetic. B. The oxidation state of platinum in Zies's salt is +2. C. All the PtCl bond lengths in Zies's salt are equal. D. CC bond length of ethylene moiety in Zies's salt is longer than that of free ethylene molecule. Answer option C. All the PtCl bond lengths in Zies's salt are equal. അതിൽ ഒരു PtCl bond length മറ്റുള്ളതിനേക്കാളും ഡിഫറൻ്റ് ആണ്. The complexes COH2O 4 times Cl2 NO2 and COH2O 4 times Cl NO2 Cl are linkage isomers, positional isomers, ionization isomers, optical isomers. Answer option C. Ionization isomers. The octahedral complex shows both facial and meridional isomer is option A. Triglycinato-cobalt 3, B. Tris-ethylene diamine cobalt 3, C. Dichloro-diglycinato-cobalt 3, D. Trioxalato-cobaltate 3. Answer option A. Triglycinato-cobalt 3. Mer and Fac isomers are possible for complexes of formula Ma3B3 or MAB thrice. The coordination number and geometry of cerium in cerium NO3 6 times 2 minus are respectively option A. 6 and octahedron, B. 6 and trigonal prism, C. 8 and cubic, D. 12 and icosahedron. Answer option D. 12 and icosahedron. ഇതിൻ്റെ കോർഡിനേഷൻ നമ്പറൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ മുന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തതാണ്. In the solid state, the CuCl5 3- ion has two types of bonds. These are option A. 3 long and 2 short, B. 2 long and 3 short, C. 1 long and 4 short, D. 4 long and 1 short. Answer option A. 3 long and 2 short. Among the following statements, identify the correct ones for complexes of lanthanide 3 ion. A. Metal ligand bond is significantly ionic. B. Complexes rarely show isomerism. C. The coordination number is not more than 8. D. The magnetic moments are not account even approximately by spin-only value for majority of lanthanides. Options A. A, B and D only. B. A, B and C only. C. B and C only. D. A and D only. Answer option D. എയും ഡിയും ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെൻറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ലാന്തനൈഡ് 3 അയോൺ കോംപ്ലക്സസ് ഷോ ഐസോമെറിസം ആൻഡ് ദി കോർഡിനേഷൻ നമ്പർ ജനറലി 6 to 12. അപ്പോൾ ബാക്കിയുള്ള ഓപ്ഷൻസ് മിസ്റ്റേക്കാണ്. Which of the following statements are true for the lanthanides? A. The observed magnetic moment of europium 3+ at room temperature is higher than that calculated from spin-orbit coupling. B. Lanthanide oxides are predominantly acidic in nature. C. The stability of samarium-2 is due to its half-filled subshell. D. Lanthanide 3 ions can be separated by ion exchange chromatography. Options A and D, B, A and B, C, A and C, D, B and C. Answer option A ആണ്. The complexes CONH3 4 times H2O Cl Br2 and CONH3 4 times Br2 Cl H2O are examples of A. Ionization isomerism, B. Linkage isomerism, C. Geometric isomerism, D. Optical isomerism. Answer option A. Ionization isomerism. The intense red color of FeBpY thrice 2+, BpY means 2,2-bipyridine, is due to option A. Metal to ligand charge transfer, B. Ligand to metal charge transfer, C. DD transition, D. Intervalence charge transfer. Answer option A. Metal to ligand charge transfer. അത് ലോ ഓക്സിഡേഷൻ സ്റ്റേറ്റിലാണ് മെറ്റൽ എങ്കിൽ അത് മെറ്റൽ ടു ലിഗാൻഡ് ചാർജ് ട്രാൻസ്ഫർ ആണ് കാണിക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ അയണിൻ്റെ ഓക്സിഡേഷൻ സ്റ്റേറ്റ് +2 ആണ്. സോ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ എ MlCt. താങ്ക്സ് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്.